Good morning and thank you for joining us. Let's start today's technical analysis with the dollar-yen pair and the recent events stirring the markets. Greg?
The dollar-yen pair has added 0.1% in the last session. Stochastic is strengthening and is now giving a negative signal. Bitcoin has fallen 6.6% in the last 3 sessions. The ROC moved sharply into the positive area. The price of gold has gained 0.2% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator transitioned sharply into the positive zone. The price of crude oil has fallen 8.4% in the last 3 sessions. The highs-lows indicator transitioned sharply into the negative zone.
Thank you for sharing with us. Now let's hear from our news department.
Oil prices fell, with much of the blame being apportioned to the Wall Street stock sell-off. Major airlines are pressuring U.S. and British governments to launch a passenger testing trial for the coronavirus for flights between London and New York. The August 2020 NFP report topped market estimates. The U.S. economy added 1.3 million jobs and unemployment fell to 8.4%. The USD remained unchanged.
Thank you. Now let's hear today's most important economic events.
The Australian ANZ job advertisements will be released at 1:30 GMT, the German industrial production at 600 GMT, the UK Halifax House Price Index at 7:30 GMT. The UK BRC like-for-like retail sales at 23:01 GMT, the Japanese current account at 23:50 GMT, and the Japanese GDP at 23:50 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.